The urgent weather message. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Cuyahoga, Medina, and Lorain counties. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lorain to 6 miles west of Medina, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. An 81 miles per hour wind gust was measured in the city of Lorain at 8:47 p.m. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Wadsworth, Warrensville Heights, Amherst, and Grafton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina.